Okay, so we have 7 a.m. and now we are going to tune the car. I picked up the car from Archie, but now we need to go to another place to tune it. So that's gonna be super interesting. I never had my car on a dyno, I never had it tuned, so I am excited. I am interested to see how much power does it make and how is it gonna respond. Let's check it out. Yesterday we had to do a bit of, you can say, adjustments, so it's high enough to go onto the dyno. So we had to raise the car all the way up with the suspension, and we had to put some nasty 16s on it. Yeah, doesn't look too great. Let's go. Let's get. Okay, we are back from the dyno, and man, how different the car is comparing to before. The standalone ECU is what this build needed from the first time, from the beginning. Of course it was working fine on a stock ECU, but how it works now, how smooth it works, and it's super responsive, you cannot really compare it to how it worked before. So let me show you from the inside. Okay, so the first and the biggest change that we did is the one that you cannot see, and it's the ECU Master EMU Black, a standalone ECU that is hidden right there under the dash. This is the brain of the car right now. Second thing is a 5-inch display that is mounted here, and the third thing is this little keyboard that's mounted on the dash. Okay, look now. Okay, so as you can see, we tweaked it a little so it fits with the inside of my car. We changed colors for pink and blue just to fit my wheel and floor mats, and also the colors of the keyboard itself, it's blue as well, so it fits everything nicely. We have a water temperature, we have oil temperature, we have charging. We also have an oil pressure, but this one doesn't work for now because for now I'm still gonna use my old oil pressure meter, but we want to run another sensor to have an oil pressure here because I like having this here. I think it adds some style, and like it's working fine. It's never gonna show bad numbers, but one thing is, when I'm drifting, I never look at it. I don't really pay attention to oil pressure when I'm drifting, and I think it's important to have it digitally here because we can set it to warn me when oil pressure is too low. I miss that. I'm gonna install it very soon to have it there as well. We also have put a NIGHTRIDE logo in the middle, as you can see, which is a cool thing, I think, to add. Now about the keyboard. So we have 6 buttons, each of them do something else. The bottom 2 are to change the display, because you can have many different pages on the display. So to go back and forward, these two. This one is to start the car, but it doesn't work yet because we need to do some adjustments still, which we didn't have time yesterday. This one is to turn on the fan. The fan, it's turning on itself at about 90 degrees, but there's still a button to turn it on manually anyway, which is a good thing to have. And there is one more button, this one. And as you can see, it turns red when I press it. This is a button for the mode when you want to go to a car meet and be like those Audi guys when they do... Marek, what do they do, the Audi guys on the car meets?
Huh?
What do Audi people do on the car meets, or golf people? What do they like to do on the car meets?
Revving.
it's not just revving, no?
Revving, and they like to rev and shoot flames and... Yeah.
Exactly, shoot flames. So this button is for mode when you want to be like those Audi drivers and shoot some flames on the car meet. Yeah, I'm gonna show you later. We had to raise the car to make it able to go to the dyno, but now obviously for ultra race it needs to go as low as before. I need to put my wheel of 3 spokes as well and just set suspension how it's supposed to be. But before that, there is still one thing I need to do. Let me show you. So basically, you know my fenders, right? They're not here at the moment. And they're supposed to be here. And they're not here because when we mounted them, I mounted them with screws, just like normal screws. And it was fine until we started drifting on Seduced, and I was just keep losing them all the time. So now, my freshly painted fenders look like this. Because while drifting, obviously wind and everything, and it was flying off the car and then landing on the racetrack. So I figured I'm gonna mount them properly this time using these. And I just realized I don't really know the English name for it. Wait, I'll look for it. Rivet nuts.
Rivet nuts.
We call them Nito nakrętki, but river nuts is okay. So yeah, I'm gonna now install the body kit on the river nuts. Alright, let's do it. Bozo, what the flip did you buy again?
RX-7?
Don't you have one RX-7 at home?
Yes.
Without engine and gearbox?
Yes. Now I have two.
And he bought another one with no engine and no gearbox.
This guy. Wow. So we cleaned all the garbage right here, so we can put more garbage. My days. Okay, it's been a couple hours. I mounted the whole body kit on the, I forgot the name again, Nito nakrętki. And then Marek helped me with lowering the car. So the car is on the proper height back again, and the car is looking crazy again, man. Check this out. Marco, can you please move? Don't even pretend that you go gym anymore. But look at this, man. Tomorrow we're gonna give it a wash. We're gonna show you something special, something that we've been working on for some time now. Excited news. But that's tomorrow. Today I think this is it for now. Also we need to put fresh tires on wheels and then we're ready for out race.
Yeah. See you tomorrow and then out race.
Also Bozo's car is without the gearbox, without the clutch.
Yeah,
His car is not ready whatsoever. But he bought another one, so you know, it's okay.
I think that's a good deal.
What you say?
Gruz.
What gruz? This is perfectly good condition.
Gruz.
Taki, że nie powinniście już sprać ani nic. Śmiało. Cyk. Będzie ciaki oficjalne.
So this is what we've been working on for a couple weeks, you can say, with the boys.
Okay.
Boom.
There we go.
Drinks.
There we go.
Fresh
The fresh one.
Dobrze to wygląda faktycznie na żywo.
Mikrofibrę do tego, do koloru. Cyk. I to jest gotowy zestawik, nie? I trigger do
Triggerek i
tego.
naklejeczka.
Tak.
This is a fruity lemonade bubblegum.
No, don't drink. Don't drink.
Do not drink this. We tried, a bit of a situation happened.
We didn't, but
I mean-
it sounds cool.
No, it's funny. The plan now is to just wash Sam's Miata and clean it and use the product to test it
Yeah,
out.
we wanted to wash both cars, but Bozo's car is still on the lift because they have some issues, of course. But my car is fully ready, so we're gonna try to wash it, make it nice and clean, because it looks pretty disgusting.
Hi guys, what's up? My name is Sebastian. I'm from the K-Motion brand, the car cosmetics. Today with the NIGHTRIDE guys, we prepared our best product, which is the quick detailer. It makes your car very shiny, very glossy, very slippery. The guys choose their own color, their own smell, which is the bubblegum cherry. It smells incredible. Okay guys, so remember to wash your car daily. See you on Ultras, Sunday and Saturday.
Okay, we have... my phone's dead. Midnight 30. Tomorrow we are going to Ultras event, and past days were crazy. We were working in a garage to get the cars ready for Ultras. Also, Ultras is the biggest event for us because it's a big venue, big capacity of people, and the same as last year, we're gonna have a shop with merch. And last year we kind of sold out first day and we didn't have any merch to sell on the second day, so this time we wanted to be prepared. So let me show you how our house look like right now, and this is only half of the stuff because the other half of the stuff is already outside ready to be packed. Alright, this is all merch that we're gonna take, and tomorrow morning 7 a.m. me and Mark, we're going to garage because we want to film like a video for the merch and take some pictures, because all this merch that we are taking for Ultras, it's never been sold before, and we didn't even have a chance to like take a nice pictures and kind of hype it up before the event. So this is what we're gonna do tomorrow. I'm probably gonna film it, take the camera tomorrow with me, and film the whole process of getting creative with making content, promoting merch and stuff. And then this video will finish because I'm gonna start making another video, which would be an Ultras video. If you didn't see the last year's one, it's gonna be here. This year should be even more crazy. So yeah, Ma's gonna go sleep now, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Morning. So we were thinking to come to garage at 7, 8 for a nice sun, but I actually forgot that it's middle of summer and sun's out at 4:30. We're gonna still take some pictures. Took the car out. Let's get the stuff. Okay, boom. Fresh merch. We have 2 new t-shirts and 1 new thing, which I'll show you in a second. So how do we do it? Maybe let's do one t-shirt each.
Yeah.
So you have a t-shirt, I have a t-shirt, and both of us can have a picture in this. Yesterday, me and Bozo, we mounted all the tires on the wheels for Ultras for tomorrow, and as you can hear, one of the tires leaking, and it's a new tire, which concerns me a bit, but okay.
So we're done with the t-shirts for now, and there's this thing. And let me show you the difference in the design. So as you saw, t-shirts have Sam's and Bozo's Miata drifting, and this one is a bit different but similar style. So the front is the same actually, but at the back, first of course,
It's a long sleeve.
long sleeve, and it's also a very how do you say, the
Oversized.
oversized, very oversized. And here we actually have Stani's car.
And we have my helmet. We have a NIGHTRIDE logo, NIGHTRIDE Street Club, Certified Shitbox Association, because
CSA Śląsk.
wow. Yeah, and we have the frame from the video. There was a shot when the car broke and we had to push it on the road. And this is the frame of that video
Okay,
of us pushing Stanis.
a serious question though, because I know people will ask that, like always. What does the Japanese text say? And the answer is,
Do you know?
don't know.
No, that was something. Boogie would know. Boogie would know.
Boogie would know, but he probably forgot. But we always write something that comes into mind, like on one. I think on one of the T-shirts, it says Kevin is orange, or something like this.
Oh man, I'm happy with the long sleeve. We
And
were
when you
talking
see-
about long
when you
sleeve
see
for a
the
long
fitment,
time.
Yeah, we've been thinking about it for long. The big issue was that we used to just order ready clothes from like, you know, different places. But now we make everything here in Poland. Everything is custom made. So it took us a few months to actually
Get the sizes right.
get the
and, like-
sizes right, because
Because we want it to be a bit longer than normal fit.
sheesh.
Okay, so handcuffs are normal, like good for me, not too long, not too short. But the lengthwise and like it's a bit more baggy, a bit more oversized, which we like. That was the
whole
idea
thing.
for the thing, and also I think the graphic is
Very nice.
fitting. I feel like I'm working and dying.
Wrong side. Okay, so that will be it for this video. Thank you everyone for watching. For now, all these new t-shirts and long sleeves will be available on Outrace, not on the website, but later we'll add them there as well. Thank you for watching. See you on Outrace tomorrow.